And the 25th letter, it's a very easy letter, everybody likes this letter. Letter Y. Letter Y. It goes like this and straight down, and the small one is like this. So the capital is like this, and the small one is like this. Letter Y. And the letter Y, the sound is Y. Y. Now, you're going to eat curd, they call it yogurt, you eat banana. Okay? I like to eat yogurt and banana. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. With a spoon, when you eat, what do you do? Yeah. And that's the sound of letter Y. You take that again. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. So that's the sound of Y. Yeah. Now, you like to play with yo-yo. You have a game yo-yo? Yo-yo. Okay? Yarn. Yarn. So, wool wound into ball. Yarn. Sound of letter Y. Yeah. You have the toy yo-yo. Yarn. Yellow. Yacht. Yogurt. Yarn. Yak. Yak is an animal. Now, letter Y. Yeah. Yo-yo. Yeah. Yarn. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah. Yacht. Yeah. Yogurt. Yeah. Yak. Yeah. Remember, we come to the last letter and the easy letter. What's that letter? Is Z. And it's Z. Straight line, slanting line, straight line. You love that, isn't it? So you go like this, down, and like this. And the small letter is very easy to write. So we have S. Now, last letter is Z, easy to write, and the sound is S. Have you heard the bee buzzing? How does the buzzing sound? Zzz. That's the sound of Z. Now let's take a song. Now here is the bee. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz. A bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz. Like this. How does the bee buzz? Zzz. Make the sound together. Zzz. Take it again. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz. A bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. Zzz. So you will never forget the letter of Z. Zzz. Think of the bee. Okay. Now, give me some words. Zoo. Z. Zoo. Zero. Good. Z. Zebra. Zip. On your dress you have zip. Zzz. Now, the last letter is Z. What should you remember? Bee buzz. How does it buzz? Zzz. Zzz. Zero. Zzz. Zero. Zoo. Zebra. Zip. The letter is Z. The sound of the B, Z.